It happened again. Dad said Christmas dinner was no problem.
Looks like another takeout Christmas.
It was.
Whoa. I got this! I got this!
Don't let this be you.
Use your IQ, Dad.
The IQ Sense isn't just a thermometer. It's your secret weapon for hosting holiday gatherings. It's your personal sous chef at every step. We can't guarantee you'll score cool points,
Oh my God.
but we can guarantee the perfect cook. Every time.
Couldn't have done it without you.
I know.
This holiday season, raise your culinary IQ with the IQ Sense thermometer from Chef IQ.